Hello everyone, welcome back to our tech channel where we explore the latest and most exciting advancements in technology. Today, we have something truly fascinating to discuss, an innovation that may well redefine the future of data storage and electronics. So, let's dive right into the world of liquid memories, also known as FlexRAM. Liquid memories, or FlexRAM, represent a potentially revolutionary advancement in how we conceptualize and use digital storage devices. Let's delve into what they are, how they work, how they came about, and their purpose. FlexRAM are an innovative type of RAM that, unlike conventional solid-state memories, operate in a liquid state. In FlexRAM developed by researchers at Tsinghua University in China, gallium droplets are suspended in a liquid metal and inserted into a stretchable biopolymer, known as EcoFlex. The operation principle of FlexRAM is akin to the functioning of neurons in our brains. Through the application of electrical pulses, the metal droplets can undergo oxidation or reduction. This allows the memory to switch between high and low resistance states in a reversible manner, representing the 0 and 1 bits that are the foundation of digital data storage. Once powered off, these memories are capable of retaining the stored information for up to 12 hours in the inert liquid. The concept of computational memory in a liquid state was the subject of research and speculation for many years before being realized by the team at Tsinghua University in 2024. The development was driven by the ongoing search for more flexible, durable storage devices with new physical and electrical properties. The potential applications of liquid memories are vast. FlexRAM, for example, possesses exceptional flexibility, opening up opportunities for its use in a range of emerging and existing technologies. Robotics, neural interfaces, and wearable and implantable electronics are some areas that could greatly benefit from this technology. The liquid RAM developed by Jing Liu's team is a big leap forward, but it is still in its early stages. The current version consists of 8 storage units that together handle just 1 byte of data. Moreover, it has a number of write cycles of 3,500, significantly less than traditional RAMs, which can reach millions of cycles. Although still in the developmental phase, the demonstration of the technical viability of FlexRAM signals a new horizon for the electronics and computing industry. As research and development continue to progress, it is expected that the capacities of these memories will expand and that they will become more accessible and practical, catalyzing a new era of innovation in circuit design and electronic devices. And with that, we wrap up another enlightening episode on our channel. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of technology, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest tech news. Thank you all for watching, and see you in the next video.